Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing a trusted VPN app. This secures Chrome traffic at the system level. Open Play Store, search the provider, install, then sign in or create an account. Do this now. Once signed in, grant the VPN permission requests. Android needs that to route traffic. Choose a nearby or purpose-specific server. Lower latency usually means faster browsing. Tap Connect to activate the VPN. You're doing this first because Chrome extensions aren't supported on Android in the same way. System VPN protects every app, including Chrome. Once connected, open the VPN app settings to tighten security and performance. Turn on the kill switch and DNS leak protection so Chrome won't leak your IP if the VPN drops. Then choose a protocol. WireGuard often gives better speed, whereas OpenVPN can be more compatible with certain networks. If you want some apps outside the VPN, set split tunneling. Otherwise, keep all traffic protected. Also enable auto-connect on untrusted Wi-Fi so you don't browse unprotected. These choices balance privacy, speed, and usability. Now verify the VPN works by opening Chrome in a private tab and checking that your IP and location reflect the VPN server. If a site loads slowly or blocks access, clear Chrome's cache and hard reload the page, or try a different server closer to you. If videos buffer, switch protocols or pick a server with lower load. One key troubleshooting tip: if the VPN disconnects frequently, disable battery optimizations for the VPN app and restart your phone. This often fixes background kill issues and keeps Chrome protected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.